Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here at Family Dollar. It looks like they just got this case in, but can't really tell um from which case these are gonna be. But most likely they're still gonna be 2019. These stores don't really don't keep up with the new cases. They only get 24 per case. But I already went ahead and cut it open. Let me see if I can get it open. Oh, here we go. And let's see. So yeah, they look like the older ones. See, maybe we can find something in here. Here's a Corvette. Oh, check that out. Regular treasure hunt, shark cruiser. Set this one aside. Never found a super at a Family Dollar, but I've heard some people have told me that they do find supers, but I haven't had the luck yet. Here's a Corvette Grand Sport. Picked this one up already, so I won't be taking that one. Yeah, I don't really buy multiples of ones here because they are like $1.25. Not too expensive, but I mean I can find these at Walmart or Target for $1. So here's a McLaren purple and boat one, yeah, 2019, new for 2019, but we're in 2020. Look at this Honda Civic Type R. So that's gonna be it for today. 24 cars, but found this treasure hunt shark cruiser, so we'll be taking this one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn notifications on for future videos.